Welcome to Aegis Armors, where we bring unparalleled protection and shine to your vehicle. This week, LED Integrations gave us their modified Tesla, or Porschela model GT3 as we called it, to have us perform our premium ceramic coating treatment. We started with a thorough wash and decontamination process, ensuring every inch of the Tesla surface is pristine. This crucial step removes all impurities, setting the stage for a flawless application. Next, our expert technicians inspect and notate on our assessment sheet the vehicle's paintwork for any imperfections. Then the paint correction and polishing process are completed, ensuring a smooth and perfect surface before applying the ceramic coating. As the coating cures, it forms a hard, glass-like shield that offers unmatched protection against UV rays, water spots, dirt, and road grime. This not only preserves the car's pristine appearance, but also makes maintenance effortless. We also ceramic coated the wheel faces and glass with our specially formulated Aegis Armors ceramic coatings. The result is a stunning, glossy finish that not only looks incredible, but is built to last. This modified Tesla Model 3 now boasts a radiant, protected exterior, ready to impress on any road. Aegis Armors and LED Integrations, providing your vehicle with the ultimate in style and protection. Contact us today to elevate your ride.